Kurnool and Nandyal police ensure smooth NEET UG-2025 exam experience. As the countdown to NEET UG-2025 begins, the police forces in Kurnool and Nandyal are leaving no stone unturned to ensure a seamless examination day for all candidates. Scheduled for Sunday, May 4th, this crucial eligibility test is set to see thousands of aspiring medical students take their first step towards their dreams. In Nandyal, Superintendent of Police Adhiraj Singh Rana took a proactive approach by personally inspecting the examination centers, including the Government Degree College and ESC Government Polytechnic College. With 1,172 candidates expected to participate in the district, he emphasized the importance of security and order at these venues. To maintain a fair testing environment, Mr. Rana has instructed his team to keep internet cafes and photocopy shops at bay from the examination centers. He also stressed the need for thorough checks, ensuring that candidates are carefully frisked before entering the premises. In a bid to uphold the integrity of the exam, mobile phones, smartwatches, and other electronic devices will be strictly prohibited inside the centers. Adding a modern touch to security measures, the SP has called for the use of drones to monitor the surroundings, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Meanwhile, in Kurnool, the excitement is palpable as the examination will take place across 16 centers, with a whopping 4,466 candidates gearing up to showcase their knowledge from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. To ensure safety and order, 210 police personnel have been deployed, with each center assigned a circle inspector or a sub-inspector to oversee operations. Superintendent of Police Vikrant Patel has also implemented Section 163 of BNSS around the centers, ensuring that traffic flow remains uninterrupted, allowing candidates to arrive on time without any hassle. With these robust arrangements in place, both Kurnool and Nandyal are set to provide a secure and supportive environment for all NEET UG 2025 candidates, paving the way for a successful examination day.